And what happened if we don't become a Fire Hawk? Well, thanks for asking, Joy. I'll tell you. First, Mom and Dad are very disappointed. We don't go pro. We find work as ethnomusicologists, even though we don't really know what that is. We have no friends, and we die alone.
Okay. None of that is happening right now, is it?
No.
Great. So why don't we take a seat in our special chair?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
See? Isn't that better?
Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
We can't control whether Riley makes the team, but what can we control?
Well, Riley has a Spanish test tomorrow. We need to study.
Oh, you're right. We totally
Olvidamos.
What's that mean? Forgot.
Nice.
Thanks, Gus. Plus, we followed our new varsity caliber training program. Oh, I wish I thought of that. Newsflash. You did. Well, you're right. I did.
I'm jealous of myself.
Thanks for the reminder.
You're welcome.
Who said that?
It's my new buddy Pouchy. Pouchy and Betty if we make the team.
Good idea.
That's great, but either way, we love our girl.
Confetti if we don't.
Oh, is it Coach's email?
No, it's Bree and Grace.
Oh, I miss those girls.
Oh, remember when Bree and Grace and Usher said, I'll just be downstairs if you need me.
It's 3 minutes to 2. She's got this.
She's got us. Oh, yeah, right?
Nagsalita na siya.
Oh, right, embarrassment. Everybody look at embarrassment. If you don't make it this year, there's always next year.
I know. I love our girl.
How could you not? She's super smart.
I'm great at hockey.
She's really creative.
She can be bored, but never boring.
But she can be a little sarcastic from time to time.
She can have really bad ideas. Occasionally, she can do the wrong thing.
And sometimes she can be too hard on herself. But every bit of Riley makes her who she is. And we love all of our girl. Every messy, beautiful piece of her.
Sino yun? Ha? Mamaya na. Bakit? Gusto mo magkain? Oo, mamaya
We
na.
talked about this. Tell them everything.
Wala pa. Daming nanood. Daming nanood. Puno ang sinihan. Ha? So, ano yan? Ano yan? Ha? Bakit? Anong gagawin natin? Ah, okay.
She goes away for 3 days and all
Marami.
did is... Yeah, sounds right. Mexican game. With a nice Nora Reeves comes across center ice.
Puno yung sinihan. Nadyan na. Daming nanood na. Puno ang sinihan. Ah, bye-bye na. Bye. Thank you.